You open your eyes. The air is hot. Sand covers everything around you. In the distance, a giant pyramid is rising toward the sky. Men pull massive stone blocks while guards watch every move. You're not dreaming. It's ancient Egypt, around 2500 BC, and for the next 24 hours, this is your life. The sun has barely risen, but your day has already begun. There are no alarms, no electricity, no phones, only the sound of birds along the Nile River. You wash your face with cool river water, put on a simple linen outfit, and eat breakfast. Fresh bread, onions, dates, and beer. Yes. Even children drink a weak version of beer because clean water isn't always easy to find. Then it's time to work. Because in ancient Egypt, almost everyone works from sunrise to sunset. You walk toward the fields beside the Nile. Without this river, Egypt wouldn't exist. Every year, the Nile floods the land, leaving behind rich black soil that grows wheat, vegetables, and flax. Some people become farmers. Some become scribes, the educated people who can read and write hieroglyphics. Others build temples, carve statues, or transport giant stones for the pharaoh's projects. Life is hard, but every job has one purpose: to keep Egypt alive. Around noon, you finally see him, the pharaoh. People don't see him as an ordinary king. Many believe he has a divine role and rules with the favor of the gods. No one dares question his authority. Massive temples are built in honor of the gods. Priests perform rituals every single day because everyone believes what happens after death is just as important as life itself. As evening approaches, the desert cools down. You hear stories about mummies, tombs, and the journey into the afterlife. Many Egyptians prepare for death throughout their lives. Some save money for a proper burial. The wealthy build elaborate tombs filled with objects they believe they'll need in the next life, because to them, death isn't the end. It's the beginning of another journey. The sun disappears behind the desert. Torches begin lighting the streets. You look one last time at the giant pyramid standing against the night sky. No internet, no cars, no modern medicine. Yet somehow, one of the greatest civilizations in human history was built here. Then, everything fades. You wake up back in the modern world. But one question stays in your mind. Would you survive a single day in ancient Egypt? The heat, the work, the beliefs, all so different from everything you know. Comment below and subscribe for more POV adventures through history, because history is waiting, and your next adventure starts now.